So this is a video to accompany the DIY alignment calculator that's on the strikeengine.com website. As in the toe example, we need to know the diameter of the wheel. So we measure between the top edge of the wheel and the bottom edge, and then we measure the distance between the string that we've dropped down between the top edge and the bottom edge. So let's imagine that this is the car here. Imagine this is the front right wheel. This is the fender. You use some sort of mount to hold the string out from the car, and you use it with a bob or whatever you want to do. We want this to be steady and straight, and then we measure this edge and this edge to work out the diameter of the wheel. Then once we've done that, we need to know this number here, which is the top edge. So you can see for each wheel it asks for the top edge and bottom edge. That number is how far the top edge is away from the string that we've dropped, and how far away the bottom edge is from the string that we've dropped. And this string should run through the center of the wheel. So if you just put in a random example, we'll say 300 millimeters for the wheel. We'll say that the top edge of the wheel was 20 millimeters from the string, and the bottom edge of the wheel was 10 millimeters from the string. And if we scroll down then, this will give us the front left wheel camber is minus 10 millimeters. And it will show us that the front left wheel camber in degrees is minus 3.82. And basically you just repeat that for every wheel. And that is how you get the camber in millimeters and in degrees.